Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do an essay on topic a visit to the Taj Mahal. Once the Taj Mahal was one of the seven wonders of the world, still it is one of the most beautiful buildings of the world. One day with my uncle I wished to see the building. We saw the view of the Taj Mahal from the train at a distance. It looked grand and impressive. We went on a rickshaw. We saw the gate of the building. It was very high and beautiful. It is made of red stone. It is called Buland Darwaja. We now saw the Taj Mahal from there. It was a white building made up of white marble. We went by paths made of marble slabs. Between these paths were crystals and fountains. Fish of all colors lived about in them. There we saw lawns and trees on both the sides, with high walls and building at the end. The Taj Mahal is built on a high terrace made of marble. We climbed a few steps and saw the big terrace in the center of which stands the Taj Mahal. There are four high towers at the four corners. Now I saw the beauty of the Taj. I never thought of so. There are verses from Quran written in black mosaic at the three sides of the gate. It is really a great work of art. I was puzzled to see its greatness and glory. Now we went in. There is a broad circular gallery all around the building. I was astonished to see the filigree work and carvings in the marble. In the center, there were two tombs of Shah Jahan and his dear queen, Mumtaz Mahal. But I came to know that they were not real tombs. The real tombs were downstairs. We went there and found that they were exactly like the other tombs above. Verses of Quran were written on the tomb of the queen. The slab over empire was bare. I wondered to see the mosaic work of art on all sides. It is said that thousands of laborers worked for 20 years to build this grand monument of the love of Shah Jahan for his queen. Crores of rupees were spent. It is really a great work of art and India is proud of it. People come in from all countries to see this wonder of the wonders. Every part of the building is very attractive in a moonlit night. The Jamuna flowing by adds to its charm. The sight of the building has made a deep impression on my mind. I can never forget it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.